Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited Custom Crate Engines. What we do here, like we say all the time, we custom build engines. Again, we try to build one a day. Can't get all the videos up all the time, but we try to get a few. Small shop, but do some phenomenal work. What we lack in speaking, we have intelligence in building engines. That's all we've done, all of us here. Our whole lives have been dedicated to working in machine shops, building engines and drag racing. So we really know what the hell's going on when it comes to building these great motors. Again, the proof is in the performance in each and every one of our builds. If you really went through our website and check out some of the motors we built some crazy ass motors, all different kinds of engines. So if there's anything you're looking for, you have an idea or a dream, give Steve a call. We'll definitely design something for you. We'll be happy to build it for you. No matter what you're looking for, we can build it. Proformance Unlimited, 1-800-267-3940. Remember, don't let the looks fool you, because we can build some badass motors. Okay, Sergio, we have your 1957 Chevy Bel Air small block 427 on the dyno. Fire up. Right there. That sounds nice. But man, you gotta come down to idle. What do we got?
It's real good, 599 horsepower.
599 horsepower?
Yeah, about 584 foot-pounds of torque.
580 torque, 580 something. Beautiful. There you go.